Hi, I'm Patrick O'Halloran from Lombardino's Restaurant in Madison, Wisconsin. I just wanted to come and share a few thoughts with you as we face this unprecedented crisis worldwide. It's had an impact on our community, our restaurants, our businesses. We're very concerned about our employees, and we're concerned about everyone that's along that supply chain that helps us at the restaurants, from the farmers all the way up. And while this is a very tough time and we're still navigating these waters, it's still early. We haven't jumped right into a carry-out model for the restaurants yet, but it's something we're still considering. We do face a little bit of an uphill challenge there with my wife, Michelle, has leukemia, so we have some compromised immune systems in our household, which have kind of made us take a little sacred pause. But during this heavy time, in these times of darkness, we want to show a little bit of light and take this opportunity to let you in on a secret that as a chef, I don't really cook at home. So this is a chance for me to spend some time with my family, decompress, and do a little bit of cooking here in my own home. So I'm going to start doing a few videos under the name of The Real Lombardinos, Cooking at Home, and share those with you and spend this time with my family. So everyone be safe out there, and we wish you the best.